pencil. And we're going to be learning about the long A and the silent E person. E. So when it has the long A, that's words just like made. So when we have the vowel A and the E, and we have this one right here in front of it, it makes the long A sound. So like eight. Eight. So how would we say this word right here? If it doesn't have the long A, what would this word say? This one says eight. So what does this one say?
Eight.
Act. Act. Good. And if we add an E, it would say eight. That would be the long A. The long A, the one we're going over today. So we'll cut like this one. What would this word say? Is it a long A or short A? How would you say this one?
Long A.
Long A? So how would you say the word?
Hat.
Hat. So that would be a short A. And if we have an E at the end, how would we say that word? So this one says hat. So when we have eight. So when we see the A and then another letter and then the E, it makes the long A sound. So eight. The long A means A. The short A means A. So A and A. The A makes two different sounds. So
we make eight?
Yes. So H-A-T. If there's no E at the end, it's a short A. So it's just hat, act. So it's hat. And if we had the E at the end, which is the ones we're going over today, it's just A. So this one's silent. So it's hat, hate, hate. Good. So how would we say this one, person? The long A. So remember, it's like hate. It's gonna make the A sound. So how would we say this one? You're close.
Ow.
A. O. Good. And what about the long A?
Okay.
Long A. This is how we're saying it. That's what the long A sounds like. So how would you say this one? What's the first sound? Long A. So tay. A. Tay. Good. Tape. Yeah, I have it running. It's okay. It's okay. I can edit it. So now this one. We have the long A. What about this one? C-A-P-E. Tape. So just like tape, what if we put a C in front? What would it be? It sounds like tape, but we're putting a C in front. So it's cape. Cape. Good. Like a superhero has a cape. So we have the vowel, A and E, and then this one in front of it, so it makes the long A. So what would it be? Way. No, that's the short A. This is the long A. Way. Wave. Yeah, like wave.
Hey, Yusuf, can you do me a favor and prop the door open so it's not shut all the way? Someone's coming in just a minute.
So we're still doing the long A, Kristen.
Don't hold it open, Yusuf.
The long A.
There were a few changes that I made.
So what would this word say, Kristen?
But I mean, they were like.
What's the first sound?
Does he come to you before lunch?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, maybe wording.
A.
But
When we
not,
see these
not
words, we want to just
like,
pronounce it as
okay.
A.
Oh,
So,
nothing like
A.
that.
Okay.
Made. D. Good. Like I made something.
Okay, then that's
Made.
It's gonna be back in class by then. Okay.
With the same A sound, what would this one be, person? The same A sound. So this one's made. What would this one be, person? How would you say this one?
Close the door. You should hang out over there.
How would you say this one?
I don't know. Who is it?
This would be tap. Remember, if we have an E at the end, it makes the long sound. So this is tap. A. This one? Why did we take away the P? Like that? It would say tag, but that's not a word. So say 8. Tape. Yeah, tape.
He didn't know what I meant. He had no idea what I meant.
Okay, so we have a couple more, and then we're gonna do a spelling right now.
We're gonna show Elijah something this way.
We have D-A-T-E.
I didn't have time to have everyone.
So let's sound it out. What's the first sound?
But you did it
Z, and then this one makes the A. That's the short A. So A.
plenty of time to get
Say A.
But
So that's how we're saying it. So day.
your nice handwriting on the paper we're gonna do today.
Good, like the date on the board.
And a paper and you guys have. So,
So just like the same sound, but we're putting an R, person.
okay, right here. And then
We're just putting an R. So this one is date. So what would the second one be?
writers are longer. So I have the big one, but I'll let you guys each have a little one.
So we say date on this one. So what would this one be if we put an R in front of it?
Good writer's reminder says use capital letters, and then it says use
No, just this word.
punctuation marks and use spacing.
Good. Great. Good.
So use
You
capital
did that
letters.
one. What about this one? The same sound is gonna say.
You read? Use spacing, like put your finger in spacing, right? But it doesn't.
What did this one say?
But I want nice.
Rate. And this one is the same A sound. Good.
If you
Good. Now you're getting it.
use these,
Good. What about this one?
you can.
The same A sound.
You're gonna each get one of these little ones to check your writing after you get going on. Not yet. Their sentence starts. Yeah, because if you want,
A-K-E.
you have one more of these in Pearson's writing with these words.
Just like what you got on your birthday.
Okay? You could use them. You don't have to. These are the ones that are not laminated. Okay.
Good.
So
Good.
writing for today. It's kind of like the other ones we've done before. It has a word bank. So the word bank.
And now this one, and then we'll go to the spelling. So G-A-V-E.
All the words are in the word.
So this one says date. How would we say this one?
In this main picture, a cat and a dog. So it's gonna be something about a cat and a dog.
It's the long A.
Together. Okay. So
You got it?
the word bank is up here. Okay, look at these pictures here.
Gave. Gave? Gave. Like I gave you a pencil.
Now, let's
Good.
give us a clue to what the words are. So we're gonna go around and try to read the words.
Gave.
If you get it wrong, I don't care.
Last one.
Just try and read. So
What would this word
you
say?
do the first word.
Remember the same A as this one though. So this says gave.
Okay, Brandon,
Good.
what do you
Ave.
think? What do you think the second word is?
Aim.
Okay, Elijah, what do you think?
Good. That's better. Aim.
Yeah.
Good. Now I'm gonna give you a couple words.
Goal, good, you said?
And if it has the E, you're gonna spell them, okay? So if it has the E, you're gonna put the E. So if I gave you the word tame, you would put T, A, and then if it had an M, and then an E. So I'm gonna give you one word. One word, and then we're gonna go down the list. So get the pencil.
Water bottle, okay? Alright, Elijah, what's underwater? Bone. And then,
So if it doesn't have the E at the end, you just put a cross on it. So the first word is bad.
why?
We're spelling bad. Bad.
Yarn. It's called yarn. It's like
Bad. So what's the first sound you would hear?
knitting. Yeah. But it is.
So B. So you would circle the B,
Elijah thought it was straight.
and then the next sound, and then the last
So
sound.
it's yarn. See that R?
So you have the B. What's the
And the
middle
last
sound?
one. Oh, how'd you know?
There's a lot more.
Good.
You could
We need the last sound. What's the last sound in bad?
So they want you to write about a pet store. Okay? They want you to talk about who we thought
Good. And now you just spell it. The letters you circled, you just spell it out.
doing this. Listen.
Just like that person.
The reason
Good.
we're doing this is to write nice sentences with these
Good. So the next word is
Look up here.
tame.
I'm going to give you this in your hand right
Tame.
now. You get this in your hand right
Tame.
now. You get this in your hand right now. Okay.
How would we spell tame?
Hold this in your hand. Look at the part I'm touching. See the very top? It says good writer.
Is it the long A or the short A? Tame.
You guys know where I'm pointing. It says good writer. These little check boxes.
So we have tame. We have tame and bad. Do they have the same A?
Yeah, capital letters.
Okay, so this one doesn't have an E, so this one is probably going to have an E.
Beginning of your sentence, you want a capital letter after that.
So we have T-A-M.
We've been practicing. I'll let you have it. That's okay. Yeah, no, that's a lowercase. I only want a capital for your first letter. Each sentence.
Remember, the long A has the E at
Use
the end.
punctuation marks. Okay? Use punctuation marks. What are these called in red? What are the names of those punctuation marks? You know their names? No, the red things. Look on yours. What are those things called? Don't bend this. This is for everyone. It doesn't go on your face. Question mark's one of them. Do you know any more of them?
Good
Do you
person.
know what they're called? Do you know what they're called besides question marks?
So right here, the word you have is and we're looking for tame. So what else do you need?
One of them's a question mark in the middle. Do you know what the other two are called that are not question marks? Period. No dot. Your space is not a mark. I want that up on the top. Yeah. What? Do you know, Brandon? Yes. What the line or up? Whichever. Don't bend it.
So if we have the long A, that's how it's going to be spelled. We're going to need an E at the end. So it's bad and tame. Bad has a short A. So we can go on the next one. It's okay. So the third word is date. Date. Like the date on the board.
See a dog? It's to show you that they used a capital letter. They used everything.
Does it have an E or no E?
They used a period at the end. They made it red, and they put that little hand to show you there's a space between each word. That's what I want you to do. I want you to put spaces. Okay. These are some sight words that you might use if you want to. Okay. I'm gonna put one between you two. You can look at this one. You might not need these words. You probably.
Are you done spelling date?
I don't know what words you might need. Just leave it there. You don't need to pick it up. If you want a sentence starter, okay, I see that. I like that. Oh, sure. I don't want to give you a whole sentence. I don't want to give you a whole sentence. I want you to write something yourself. And let's see, Issa, we're not going to do that right now. She did not understand what this was for, the substitute. She started writing on the list. Okay.
Good. Keep going.
I need everyone to come up with this can be on the table. This can be on the table. That's just to help you do this stuff.
Okay. And is there an E or no E?
Listen to me. Listen to me. I need you to tell me
Is there an E or no E?
Write it. Who's ready to start? Okay, use it. Can you tell me your sentence?
Okay, good. Now we just write the E at the end. So we have bad and date. So the fourth word
Try a sentence with maybe five.
is came. Came.
How about the dog eats food?
Came.
Okay, so Brandon has a sentence. Yes.
Came.
Is that again for me?
A.
That's what I was gonna do. The dog eats food. Good. Five is good, but using the 12 words is stupid.
Remember, the long A has the E at the end.
Brandon's gonna write the with a capital T, okay? Dog eats food. So Brandon's gonna put a space between each word, okay?
Does it have an E or no E?
Food, Brandon's gonna put a period, okay? But Brandon, when you write your sentence, I want you to do your nice letters.
cane with a.
You can find a pencil that you like and you can start. You're gonna write the dog.
Okay, it's okay.
Do your pinch your fingers. I'm gonna ask Yusuf.
You're trying to see if there are other words.
I see the dog. Do you wanna write I see the dog? Now if you don't remember listen, if you don't remember how to spell
Remember this one
the sight word here, okay?
would be short A,
Now, I'm gonna tell you okay?
and then
You can use that one. That was good. Listen, Kate, don't start.
so if it has it like this this one's cat. It's not Kate. This one's H. So there's different A sound in
You're
there.
gonna make it a capital I. All your other
So we'll go to the fifth word. It's okay. The fifth word is gave. Like I gave you a pencil.
nice writing. Erase that S all the way.
Go, yeah. Find the first word first.
Brandon, hold up.
Good.
Don't go
A.
any
V.
further.
And when we say the A in here, is it a long A or short A?
So we want that E to stay
Is it like this one?
that H to go.
It has the same A as this one?
Yusuf, I know you didn't do this today, but you've done it.
Okay, so does it have the same A as this one? The bottom one?
For
Okay, so what would we need?
to be short. Okay? You need to be short.
This one?
Have my sample.
But the sound though, this one sounds like K, A. This one's 8.
My sample?
Does gave sound like cat or gate?
This is my sample. You can look at my sample.
So we would need yeah, so we would need an E at the
Make them the
end.
right size. Take your time. Make it nice
G
and
A
fine. Make
G.
it nice.
Good,
Okay?
just
We've
like
been
that.
working on this. You haven't been working with us on it, Elijah? I'm not.
And then number 6 would be
But what is your sentence?
lake, like you went to the lake. Lake. A. Which sound did it make? Did it make the this sound or this sound?
Right now, because that's the sentence you told me.
Lake.
You can make another sentence after.
Did it make the A sound or the A sound? So how would we spell it then? Would it need an E or no E?
You worry about Yusuf all day. Okay? You are not his teacher. I want you to write I see.
So we have lake. Say lake.
Put a finger space and write the and think about your nice letters. Think about your nice letters.
Lake. So does it sound like 8 or cat?
Hey, Brennan, it's pretty good, but you didn't have a space between the E and the 3.
Okay, we'll go to the next one. So the next one is gas. Gas. Number 7.
These are good space. This is okay.
Good.
Really good space right now. Really good space.
A. Gas.
E-A-T, put a space before E. Okay?
We have one over here. So what about the last sound? What's the last sound you hear?
Good. I'm going to have you add one more.
This the first sound, middle sound, and what's the last sound?
So you have light and then we're going to add good. Good. Think of another sentence. Okay?
What's that last sound? Which one? Is it a D, T, or an S? Gas.
Oh, and this time remember lights with an S.
I've always felt like it's all in here, so why do I need to read like round it out?
Good. Circle S.
You want to write
Like I want it to like flow and see, I want it to sound nice.
And now we'll spell.
What I'm trying to say.
Now we'll spell late. Late.
dot. You already
Eight.
have I see the.
Like I was late to class.
So I put you in here.
The cat is in the store. You want to say the cat is in the pet store? Otherwise, you can just say
Good.
the cat is in the store
So number 9.
if you want.
Number 9 is cake. How would we
It makes
spell
more sense
cake?
pet store, 'cause
Long
pets
A,
are
short
little
A.
stores usually, not like Vons or Target or whatever. Okay, so let's see how many words that is, Brendan. The cat is in the pet store. 7 words. It's kind of a lot, but you can do it.
Good. And the last word is tan. Tan.
Okay, how many words is that? No, the
the sentence, and then you're gonna write it, okay? So the first sentence is, did you wave at him?
Is. It sounds like a Z, but
Did?
is.
Okay.
Is.
Did you wave at him?
Really work on those spaces between words, okay?
So you have did, and the next word is you. Did. And then the next word is you.
Fabulous. Fabulous. But this one's thinking so right.
Keep the T for pet.
Did you wave
Leave a space.
at him?
Store. Leave a nice big space. The cat is in. What was it? In. Okay, you used to write your sentence.
Good.
I don't even remember.
It's a dog.
It had the word is in it because we're pointing out is.
Did you wave?
It's
Wait, you have to tell me
the
a sentence.
dog is in.
Oh, is that it? Listen, he remembers your sentence.
The dog is.
The dog is
Wait, we can
drinking
do it
water.
on the same line.
Okay, did you finish your sentence?
Good.
What happened right there?
So
I mean, that's cool that you learned stuff.
Did you wave
We're
at
gonna write it so
him?
we don't have to put that there.
Good.
Go ahead and put your period at the end of your sentence.
A.
Okay. You put your name on the declaration?
Did. Okay, did it. Did it.
So you wrote 3 sentences. Brandon, you have 2, so I want you to write one more sentence, okay? You have the dog.
The sentence is, did you wave at him?
The cat is in the store. You need one more sentence. So you wrote, I see the water. I thought you were going to write, the dog is drinking water. You wrote, I see the water. Wait, no, don't erase it. It's fine. But whatever you say
Good
is
job.
what you're supposed to write. Okay, so think of another one.
Now the
Don't
last
erase that.
sentence we're gonna write for this lesson is, make a map. So the sentence says, make
Don't
a
write
map.
the. Don't write. Count them out. The cat is
Make
eating food. I need you to start with the word the. Don't write I see. Write the cat.
make map. Make a map.
We are all done. You are all done unless you want to color a picture. If you don't like to do that, you don't have to.
Map. Good. Make a map
What do we call this?
of the lake.